is initially providing as part of its emergency response to the people affected by the super typhoon in the Philippines is the provision of a ready-to-eat high-energy biscuits. And this will be followed by the general food distribution of rice and other food as may be identified, and also depending on the resources available at our end. We are also setting up the necessary facilities and support, including logistics and communications that will be needed to ensure that this will pave the way for other supports to come in the areas affected by this super typhoon in the Philippines.